Construction equipment comes in all shapes and sizes. Big structural frames, thin sheet metal cabs, and small brackets. Can you use the same coating process for all of them? Absolutely not. Structural parts. Large, complex shapes with high demands for internal cavity corrosion protection. The trend now is E-coat primer plus powder top coat. E-coating handles the inside and welds. Powder gives you the finish and thickness. Thin sheet parts, like cabs and covers. Appearance is everything here. Same combo works well. E-coat primer plus powder top coat gives you a smooth, uniform finish with no runs or sags. Small parts, high volume, lots of variety. Powder lines or e-coating are perfect, fast, efficient, and cost-effective. Pick the right process, and you get better results with less effort. What coating process are you using for your different parts? Drop a comment. Let's talk.
ZHYAO. Together, we color the world.